to the channel. This is Taylor's i8 BMW, and this thing is fucking phenomenal. Look at this. This car is awesome. The blue accents, the kidney grills, even though they're a lot different from the other BMWs, it's still really nice. It's like he's got a cracked camera there. Taylor's been speeding a bit, but this thing is amazing. I like the flip-up doors. You got sensors all over the place. I mean, granted, he bought this car used, but it is flipping way nice. Just look at all this interior of how it looks. It's phenomenal. I love this car. It's nice. Granted, it's only a 3-cylinder motor, but hey, and an electric motor, but it's nice. But look at this. Look at this carbon fiber. I don't know if you can see this carbon fiber. The whole car is carbon fiber. Not just like the tub or the hood. The whole damn car is carbon fiber. And he's done very well. Look at the nice wheels. Got the BMW wheels on them. They're like the electric looking blue on them. I'm probably going to have to change up my... do some color changes here and get some light in this, but this is phenomenal. This is a really nice car, and if I could afford one, I would definitely get one.